make pani puri. How to prepare homemade pani puri? So pani puri is my snack today. So let's start eating.
You will start eating.
Yes.
Make a hole.
After potato curry, onions, we have to add onions, some onions only, not too much.
Enough.
One onion. Now next is
Oh, enough, baby. Cherry, చాలు. చెర్రీ చాలు నాన్న. Eat fast. How is it, Nana?
nice.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Enough. Onions.
I have added onions and some juice.
Tamarind.
Oh no.
Pour it fast.
How?
Oh. Eat now. Eat.
It's so yummy.
पूरी मैंने पानी नहीं उसका पानी
मामा वीडियो చేస్తుంది పూరి
Eat. How is it, Nana? బాగుందా? Super?
Bye-bye, friends. See you in the next video. I will finish my pani puris. Bye-bye. Stay home, stay safe, stay safe. Take care. Please don't go outside. Please like, share and subscribe.